In this guide, we'll be showing you how you can change the blade for your forward zero cutting machine. The blades on the forward zero machine should be replaced around every 250 cuts to keep your film cuts precise and looking sharp. So begin by unscrewing the blade holder and removing it from the forward zero machine. Press the lever at the top of the blade holder and the blade will pop out. Remove the blade from the blade holder by pulling it out slowly. Be careful when doing this as the blade is sharp. Next, grab your new blade. iParts View sell a few different variations of replacement blades and blade holders depending on what you need. The first are 3 replacement blades, a great purchase if you are cutting a lot of films and don't want to be stuck with a blunt blade anytime soon. The second is a replacement blade holder. You may need one of these if your blade holder has been damaged. The third is a replacement blade and a replacement holder, for if you need both. You can find all of the links for these products in the description below. Next, take your replacement blade and insert it into the blade holder. The blade holder will suck the blade in once you have most of the blade pushed in, so there's no need to force the blade, it'll go in easily. Lastly, put the blade holder back into its original position, retighten the blade holder and make sure it isn't loose. You can now carry on using your forward zero machine. If you want to know how to adjust the cut depth of your blade, then you can check out our picture guide that's linked in the description.